happens to be one of our 502 big blocks. Again, our dyno's down, but we ran one on in one cart this morning. We got another one up on our dyno cart. There's no brake on it, but we still tuned it and tested it. There's no water leaks, there's no oil leaks, there's no fuel leaks, but I'd love to fire this thing up. This happens to be the Holly Sniper fuel injection system. Now it's gonna come back down. Great oil pressure, air fuel ratios are perfect. We're running about 185. I'll turn my fans on, cool it down. It is on board. I'm not going to go over some of the gauges for you, but we have them all dialed in real line. Show how that thing runs inside. This has to be one of our